Come test drive the 2021 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, driver attention alert system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.